Hi, baby. Hi. What you doing? You talking to mommy? You talking to your mommy? Hey. Nicholas. Look. You want me to get this camera out of your face? Oh, big smile. Big smile. You don't like that, huh? Oh, another big smile. You're active today. Huh? What you talking about, huh? Look, mommy's over here. What you see over there? Nicholas. What's over there, huh? What's over there? Quiet all of a sudden. You don't want that passy. So I don't want that passy, mama. You hungry? Showing me your little white tongue. You ready to eat again? Uh-oh. I guess it's time to shut the camera off. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera.